Hello everyone. Today we have Dr. Divin Dinesh, an international astrologer with us. Vanakkam Guruji.
Namaskaram.
Okay, so today we are going to ask him questions about the life patterns of Rasis. We'll also be seeing about the Rasis' general characteristics, about their profession, about the gods they need to be worshipped, about their general health, and also about their relationship things. So let's get started. Let's talk about Tulam.
Yeah.
What are the general characteristics?
Okay. So Thulam or Libra. This is the seventh house. Okay. Gender characteristics. This is male, masculine Rashi. This is air Rashi, and this is ruled by Sukra. So Sukra with air means they will be very attractive. People also will get attracted, and they will speak very nicely, but little with aggressiveness because Sukra speaks nicely, but since it's masculine air, they will speak with little aggressiveness, but people will like that as well. And they also like more of singing songs, hearing songs, playing musics, any art form, they love it very much.
Okay. What are the nakshatras that comes under this Rasi?
In this Chitra 3-4, Swati all 4 pathas, and Vishaka 1-3 pathas will come in this.
Okay. What are the professions they can work?
Professions. First, since this is Sukra, they will be very good at fashion, apparels, anything related to luxury automobiles, sales and marketing, HR professionals. It will be good. And at the same time, since this is Sukra also, they will be very good with banking and finance. Again, for Sukra, many people will be in media industry also. They will work, especially with Swati Nakshatra and all, media industry very good for them. In profession, again, this Sukra, masculine air means I have seen a lot of CA auditors in this Rashi and Nakshatra. The best thing is these CA auditors will be very genuine and they will be very good at calculating. For example, like in my own college, my librarian, if one day if we give books delay return, he will put 1 rupees fine. And for that 1 rupees, he will make a bill and give. We say this bill will cost 25 paisa. Why are you wasting the bill? I don't want bill. He said, no, this is the rules, I will follow the rules. Because the symbol of Libra is 2 balancing stuff. So where until this balancing stuff will be there? It will be either in court under the justice God hand. Otherwise, it will be in the shop. Where and all we need to measure or we need to analyze, this balance will be there. Okay. So where they get a problem is when someone lose that balance, they will get into issue. For example, I have seen this like practically. There will be one office where everyone will be literally getting bribe, everyone. But one person will not get bribe. Suddenly, like his daughter or in house, some daughter marriage will be there or some sudden medical expense. On that day, he will get bribe. And the one who will be giving the bribe will be the investigation officer who came for the inquiry. They get caught. So whenever they lose that balance, needy, they get into issues. That's why I said in this love also they should be very careful on selecting the partner. When they go beyond the threshold or age gap or anything, you get into trouble. One good thing is, like, I remember my friend, his name is Ilam Pardi. Like in our cricket, he is always in our opposite team. But whoever plays, we keep him only as an umpire. Because even when his own team is out, and if no one didn't see, still he will say he is out. I saw it touched that stump. That the character is they will always hold that balance. They are the best judges in judge position also. If we get a Tula judge or lawyer, they will be like a very right person. And if you get an auditor, you can blindly give it to them. They will take care of your accounts very nicely.
What is general health?
So for them, this is for Kalapurusha, this is 7th house. So this is actually the spouse house for Kalapurusha itself. And again, this comes under private parts. So for them, Sukra, diabetes easily. And for them, then again is urinary infections, due to that urinary infection. So if everybody need to get scared because of that, no. If they keep their food control very good, especially sweet dishes, then it will be controlled mostly.
Okay. About the relationship things.
Relationship. Again, this is Sukra. So they also fall in love very easily. People also will get fall in love in them very easily. But this is one Rasi which should be very, very careful, because this is Sukra, but Sukra Rishabha is female and it is land Rasi. So they will be very calm, smooth, they will think and then they will approach the opposite gender. But this one is Sukra with air and masculine. So they don't think much. They aggressively go without thinking. They many times they take decisions and many times it goes in the wrong way. Because again, the nakshatras in this is, for example, Chitra is Mangal, again aggressive. Swati is Rahu, again very, very aggressive. Vishaka is Guru. It is Guru, but the god who is born in this nakshatra is Lord Kartikeya. In South, we all tell Kartikeya as he has two wives. People used to make joke around it. Same like that, many people in this will get married or fall in love with someone with huge age gap. Yes, especially during teenage, we should make sure that kids are in a proper way, because sometimes we see that school kid ran away with school teacher. Recently, I saw like 4 days before, 21-year-old girl ran away with a 45-year-old man, and they got it in a bus stand. So these kind of things happens more in the Tula. Also, the teenage thing, when they bring them up in a very, very proper manner, then their life is settled. Yeah.
Gods they can worship.
Gods they can worship is, first is Shukra. So Mahalakshmi is damn very good. If it's in Nakshatra and all, if they go for Chitra means Valli, Murugan's wife, Valli is really good. Swati means Lakshmi Narasimha is really good. Vishaka means Muruga is really good, or Devayani. Muruga with his two wives, Devayani Valli or Lakshmi Narasimha. These two gods are very, very powerful then. Yeah. So they are Panchabhutas. This Panchabhuta is air Panchabhuta. So any chanting mantra will work for them. And in temple also, you need to put the duba. For example, if you are going to Lakshmi Narasimha temple or Mahalakshmi temple, during the puja, they will put the smoke, dhoop. They need to buy the dhoop and give it to them. Or even in the house, when they pray in the mandir, they should put a dhuba in their house. Or they can even carry essential oil. Whenever they go to office or business area, they can apply essential oil. This air Panchabhuta will work for them very well. That's why for Lakshmi Narasimha and all, during the puja, they will put a very heavy dhuba, because it's Rahu. For Swati and all, this will work very, very superbly. When you activate your Panchabhuta, your life will uplift automatically. So now for each Rasi and Lagna, we have seen the details. More than Rasi, Lagna will suit very much, because Rasi tells about your body and Lagna is your soul. So this will exactly match with Lagna. Okay, this is one. Second, for each Rasi and Lagna, crores of people are there. Crores and crores of people are there. So what we have told is a general prediction. Many things will change according to what your other Rasi or Lagna is. According to your planet placement, lot of other things will change. So when we see or when we get your Kundali, the predictions will be more accurate. Okay. And along with this, so we have in this 10 minutes video, what and all we can cover, we have covered it. Gods, how they can pray, what day, what time we can pray, and all we have told. But apart from this, we have a lot of other remedies, practical remedies like seed therapy. What seeds to be used for what issues. We have flower remedies, batch flower remedies we can use. You can use color therapies, and you can use a lot of mantras for specific issues. We can use mantras like this. We have a lot of remedies. For more details, if you want, you have my number here. You can call me, book a consultation and get more details. Or if you want to study more, how I can use this astrology for to improve in my life. Apart from getting a job or apart from getting married, how I can use this in a practical way to improve my life, you can attend my workshop and you can get more details. I pray that with all Lord Shiva and Parvati's blessing, you get all your blessings in your life. Thank you, Dr. Devendra.